What is the best way to make money? Listen, this is Jim Hall, and that's what we're going to be talking about today is what is the best way to make money? In my opinion, the best way to make money is by doing what you love, right? They say if you do what you love, the money will follow. So, if you do what you love, you won't feel like you're working, right? So what we've done is we've put some trainings together to show you how exactly you could apply that in your life. You can go now to startwithahobby.com. You can see that training. I'm going to pull it up on the screen here real quick just to let you see what's there. This is my wife having a talk at our event that we recently did where we did our training. Her and I both did this training together, and as you can see, make $300 per day with any passion you have. What we teach is how to take your hobby and turn it into a membership that you can learn to grow into a profitable business for really cheap. It is a business, it's not a job, but you can never get rich in a job. So if you're wanting to get rich, I know this talk is about what is the best way to make money, right? A job is probably the best way to make money, but you're never going to make freedom money at a job. So you need to learn some ways that you can stop trading your time for money. And the best way to do that is in your own business and to learn the skills that make you more valuable. So here you go. Go over to startwithahobby.com. Right under my picture here is where you can put in your email address. And then on the next page, you'll see our training that we did. The training was actually a 30-minute training we did at a business convention, my wife and I. And then we've reduced it down to about 8 to 10 minutes of more of the raw meat and potatoes that wasn't really designed. We did a lot that was designed for the live audience, but that's not necessarily what you're here for. You're wanting to get the meat and potatoes. You're wanting to learn it as fast as you can and how exactly to make money. What is the best way to make money? So go ahead and head over there. Again, that was startwithahobby.com. I'll put the link down below also so that you can go and find it. And I hope you have a great day.